Well, we're on Hanging Tree again, and it is raining. Wasn't supposed to come in till this afternoon, but here it is. And there's thunder and lightning. It's making the trail 10 times harder because now there's mud and everything's slick. And this trail is way washed out, way more than I've ever seen it. So stuff like this, that before was nothing, is now a major obstacle. So with the rain, I'm expecting that we will have a flash flood at some point here in the next 15 minutes. So that ought to be fun too.